Are you wondering what is the best labor position that you can do? Because there's so many different types available to you. The first thing that we want to consider is, where is baby within the pelvis? Because we want to open whatever pelvic level that our baby is currently trying to navigate. So if baby's still trying to engage or enter into the pelvis, we want to do movements that are going to open the top of the pelvis or the pelvic inlet. If baby is engaged and they're trying to rotate through the pelvis, we want to do movements that are going to help to open the mid-pelvis. And if baby has finished their rotation and you're pushing, we want to do movements that are going to create more space at the bottom of the pelvis. To do movements to open the top of the pelvis, we want to think wide knees and also pelvic tilting, because that's going to create space front to back, then also change the pelvic angle. To open the middle of the pelvis, we want to focus on asymmetrical type movements, such as swaying from side to side. And then to open the bottom of the pelvis, we want to think internal rotation of the femurs, or knees and ankles out, to create more space side to side. And so learn tons of labor positions to create more space within your pelvis, and know when to do those labor positions in our online childbirth education course, and then prepare to open your pelvis with our prenatal fitness programs.